How's it going, everyone? It is Reversal Trader King, where I catch you guys the most precise bottoms in the stock market, guaranteed. And I'm going to show you exactly how I do it with this unique system that I had developed for years, for about 6 years. Okay, and also, before I get into the video, I'm going to talk about stock AMC. I do have a premium Discord, and disclaimer, it is only $6 a month, and it'll give you my best trades with my entries and exits before I get in. But let's talk about AMC to see if would be interested, and you'll be looking to get into that. So the system, how it works, we have a daily chart. We start out with the daily chart, as that is a very significant candle, and we want to make sure on our three bands we're looking for the candle near the green band for the highest probability of success of winning. When it's near the green band, it usually works very well. And then I have accumulation rules that I talk about in my Discord that are very good to make your odds even winning even more. So just because it's at the green band doesn't mean it's a definite buy. I look at other things like the K on the KDJ, lower time frames, market sentiment, and price action. So let's just go over a little past experiences on how I played this before, and it's worked all the time. I have a 100% win ratio on AMC. So the first time I played was when this first time it went below the bands. It had a dramatic move. I think this is when it did, yeah, something right here, but I knew not to get in these big candles because it's not under my band. It doesn't have a low K, so I didn't even look at it. So this is when I started looking at it, and I was looking for a lower K, and right in here was a 4 and a 3. I accumulated on these two candles right here because that right there is a very low K. Then I look at lower time frames to get on a precise entry, guys. So when I saw these two, and then it shot up 16% and some more, I made about 20% gain on that one trade in about one day. Right here, this one day went up about 20%. I remember that clearly. It was awesome. And then it gives my team another chance to trade AMC, and it went right down here below, and it shot up to the middle band. So there's a lot of things I use in this strategy. You can play it multiple times, or multiple scenarios. The middle band is the most important band, as that tells you your potential price target. Because the price, when it touches it, it's like on a recording, it has to touch it again. And I write down the longest I see is about 1 to 2 months, is a very long time it doesn't touch the band. So it has to touch the band, it will, and I promise. The only thing is you want to get a good entry, because as you notice, the band goes down as price goes down. But the longer it hasn't touched the band, it's going to shoot up and touch it. As you can see, we get another touch here because the last touch was right there. And so now we are kind of like screwing down here, lower lows. Well, I want to see, if this support level holds. That would be nice. As you can see, the bottom of this candle, it had a low of 4.01. We made a new low on 129. So 398 to $4 is a pretty good support area, just based on basic support and resistance, right? So what is my thoughts on this, guys? Obviously, I'm a reversal trader. I'm a bottom catcher. I like to buy shares for a cheap price than they already are. And I want to see it very extremely oversold, because these aren't your typical settings. These are extremely oversold settings. When they hit it, you're going to make good profit. Oh, and I forgot. I played it a third time right in here. This candle right here, it went up pretty decent, made about 10%. I usually take profit in the half the band mark, because that's usually where, one, it could go to the blue band, and I could lose out on some gains, which is fine. Or you could see this kind of scenario where it just kind of drifts off. So I sold on the next candle because that was a nice gain. So what am I looking for AMC? I definitely want to see it near the green band, guys. And that will only, it doesn't mean it has to. Don't get scared. If you have a nice average around here, it doesn't mean it has to. So, but the only way it will do it is if it makes a new low and a lot of stops are hit. So that's looking at the mid, probably like 3.50 area if we're looking at it here, the green band, guys. But right now we're in the middle of the band. It's kind of hard to like tell where it's going to go. It could shoot up to the blue band, which is where your potential target is at 4.6, or it could do a freaking squeeze and hit this red band, which is at 5.72. We don't know. I've been kind of just chipping it away. I'm not really an investor. I use this strategy on companies that I want to invest in, like Tesla, um, like some banks. But if I'm just trading like AMC, I kind of just want to chip out some profits, make some fast gains, because the stocks that are cheaper, you can get like 10 to 20% in a day, and that is really good returns if you keep consistently do it. So I played it here guys, and then the third time right here, and we'll see what it presents us for a fourth time. So this is reversal trading, guys. I know anybody that's watching this are trying to find the bottom. As you can see, price does touch my bottom and it gives a relief. We just don't know if it's going to just keep going up and rallying. I do know it's going to hit the, the blue band. That is for sure what we do know, and that is a good decision. That is a powerful tool to know. Like, you want to know where your bottom is, and you want to know where your short-term price target is. Your red band is kind of more of your midterm target. And once this price goes up, you want to see these bands go up, and that takes time. As you can see, it took a lot of time from this price to go all the way down to here. This is a lot of daily candles, but as you can see, the bands are all down. We're in a downtrend. We've been in a downtrend for a very long time for AMC, and as you can see, when it stagnates, consolidates on the blue band. When price gets to the blue band, it consolidates. When it's away, it's going down. So, you guys know where I'm looking at. I'm looking at to get at that green band for a buy signal, and that will alert my Discord team, and we will pump this up to make some nice gains. If you guys want to join the premium Discord, this is what it looks like. It's very organized. We have the premium chat, which is where I'll be at all the time. Trade alerts, which are very, very laid out professionally. It will say I'm buying limit order for AMC at 3.5, and I'll put that in there before the price hits, so you could get in ahead of time without scrambling to buy the ask. I only do limit orders. And then a setup video, which will talk about all this stuff on my chart because I have a longer video to discuss it in more detail. This is a very unique strat, so I know it the best since I've been doing it for years. And so I made a video about 30 minutes for my premium Discord members to have access. It's just a little, saying thank you. You invest your time, you put your money in it, you get some resources with that. And the biggest thing is obviously the trade alerts, because I spend all the time looking for the 1 to 2 best trades to make us a high valued gain. If you guys enjoyed this, it's only $6 a month. Remember, it's not hundreds of dollars like most Discords that do entries and exits, and some of them just give you a watch list and you just pick a random stock that will do 100% and you will end up bag holding. At least this, you're getting daily education, you're getting exactly my thoughts, and you're getting my entries and my exits. When you get an entry, the worst thing to know is not have an exit plan. That is the definition of being a future bag holder guaranteed. So this is Stock AMC. Obviously, it's been going down. It's going to pump. It's not going to go, just infinitely down. There's going to be a breaking point where big money comes in and it shoots it way up. And I do like it how we're getting very close here. I've seen many times where it just shoots up out of nowhere, and it could shoot up right here. As you can see, there's strong support right there. But you want to take the worst case scenario. What if it breaks this support and it goes to this green band? You want to have some buying power ready, and that's where my team will pump this up and make a lot of returns. So yeah, if you want to join it, it's only $6. It would be worth it. Cancel anytime if you don't like it, but I promise you will like it. You'll make your money back 10 times. And the link for this Discord will be into YouTube comments. Scroll down below. I'll pin it. It will say join the premium Discord for the best trades, which they are guaranteed. And then also, guys, if you want to give it a like the video, subscribe, comment. That will help the YouTube algorithm to spread this to other retail traders that are kind of lost on finding the reversals, or kind of lost on their AMC trade and like, what should they do, and all that. Obviously, there is a lot of selling pressure, and if you want to know where to sell, this is the perfect strategy, and know when to enter. This is what retail traders need. I've been researching this kind of strategy for a very long time. It fits my personality, and I hope, people who are watching this, it will fit yours too, because you're not blind guessing. You're not buying random candles. You know where to enter. You know where to exit. So if you give a like, subscribe, comment, that helps the YouTube algorithm to share this video to other retail traders just like you that wanted to watch this video about AMC, about what the heck is going on. And this right here, like I showed you, I traded it 3 times, making an average of about 60% profit, and that is very good returns. We're just aiming for that little, stacking up the pieces of the pizza, and eventually you'll get a whole pizza. And like I said, it's all about managing the risk. And I will teach you guys exactly my accumulation rules and how to trade with discipline and not just blindly enter trades. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'll see you guys in the Discord, and peace out.